IPD's line of HD ignition coils give our customers the comfort knowing when the time comes to maintain your Volvo, they will have an upgraded coil that will outlast and outperform the factory ignition coils or any other coil on the market. IPD carries HD ignition coils for the P80 chassis with coilover plug applications. IPD also supports all 5-cylinder engines in the P1 and P2 chassis. We also have 6-cylinder ignition coils as well. IPD coils have a thicker primary and secondary copper winding that lower electrical resistance and provides better heat management. IPD coils give up to 25% greater spark. The IPD ignition coils also incorporate blue silicone boots and high-quality epoxy to ensure the best protection against the elements. For more information, visit www.ipdusa.com and view our ignition coil product pages specific to each coil. There you will find more details and technical data along with vehicle applications.